Hi, in this video I will show you how to repair a dryer that is causing power outage. The tutorial is very simple as the repair in this video was mostly done by my 9 years old son Rudi. Coming up!
Welcome to my YouTube channel GreenEyedExplorer, where I explore further and beyond about tweaks, hacks, electronics and house repairs.
Analysis. So we've already removed some covers from the dryer. I have prepared a flashlight as we are going deep into
black darkness.
The LEDs in the display are on, so the machine electronics work. Motors work. And bam! RCD switch tripped off. Now let's see what are the main parts of the dryer. Besides the electronics, there is a water pump just behind here. The motor is here, and the wires here are for the heater which is behind the machine, which we will soon see. AC basics. Household's electrical installation has to have an RCD which prevents or minimizes the risk of electric shock if you touch bare live wire. After the RCD, there are MCBs, which protect devices from damage caused by overcurrent. So if the RCD trips off, there is a short circuit between live wire and grounding. Grounding is connected to the housing of the dryer. Diagnostics. So to recap, parts of the dryer which can cause face-to-ground shortage are electronics, motor, pump, electric heater. If there's no light on the panel, it's electronics. If the motor is not spinning, guess what? The motor is not working. If there is water under the machine, it's probably either the water pump or some clogging. If there is no heat, the heater is kaput. In my case here, we can conclude it's the heater. When it kicks in, the power goes off. Experiment. I will disconnect the heater. Let's check if our deduction is correct. With the disconnected heater, I will restart the machine. RCD switch stays on. It's the heater. And here is my close associate, my son Rudi, which you might know from his cooking videos. He will remove rear cover of the device which covers the electric heater. He is 9 years old and works like a professional. Heater has thermostats at the top and the heating coil at the bottom. Rudi will remove the heater too. If the coil is intact, it must be the thermostats letting the current flow to housing and grounding. Caution! Before every inspection or dissection, please don't forget to unplug the device from the power socket. Mains power can be lethal. Discharge static electricity too. Let's make another proof of our concept. I have separated the heater from dryer housing and reconnected the connector. If I turn the dryer on and the coil works, it should glow. It works as you can see. I'm checking the plate with phase tester and it is live. As the coil is not touching the metal plate, it's the thermostat malfunctioning. New parts and test. Here is a new heating unit. I could not get the thermostats alone. I am fitting the sealing rubber here, reconnecting the connector and screwing the unit back on. Back cover plate also gets back. My associate has other business, so I have to do the assembly by myself. And here is the final test. It starts and turns on the heating. As you can see, if my 9 years old son and I can do it, so can you. Just don't let the electricity kill you, that's all. So if you have found anything useful here or like this video, hit the like button. Comment below what you think of this procedure. Be scared of electricity, but don't be scared to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. By the way, see the other dryer repair video. See you next time.